What is going on, guys? Sabi ko hindi ako mag-vlog kasi tinatamad ako eh. Pero the weather is too nice not to vlog. So short vlog ulit tayo. It's so nice. Grabe, ang ganda ng weather. Malamig. Snow. Or nag-snow kanina. Pero bihira kasi yung maaraw ng ganyan. Grabe araw. Pero at the same time, nag-snow. So -6 pero hindi ganun kalamig, hindi ganun ng feeling, parang hindi siya -6. So sabi ko sa anak ko, halika, labas tayo. Tingnan natin kung saan tayo pwede pumunta. Mag-ikot-ikot tayo. At the same time, gusto ko rin mag-compare ng 4K tsaka 8K. 4K tsaka 8K lang muna yung gagawin natin ngayon kasi masyadong mahaba siguro kung sasama pa natin yung 1080p. Hindi ko alam. Siguro next video. But for today, susubukan natin gawin yung 4K versus 8K. May pagkakaiba ba? Or shall we stick to 4K? Which I think I am sticking to 4K. Pero subukan natin. Subukan natin today. 4K versus 8K. Hintay ko yung anak ko nag-ayos pa eh. Pero partly magpapacheck up kami ng mata ngayon. Titingin siya na salamin. Sasama na rin ako. Binukto din niya ako ng appointment para patignan yung mata ko dahil actually malabo naman talaga yung mata ko eh. Pati sa ulo ko kasi ayoko magsalamin. So I think tumating tayo sa point na kailangan ko na magsalamin. So magpapacheck tayo. Tingnan natin kung wala na tayong choice kundi magsalamin or baka pwede pang wag na muna. Matanda na tayo. So, I think di na ako makakaligtas dito. I think magsasalamin na tayo.
Oh, you're vlogging!
Yeah, it's cold.
Hi guys. Snowy day today, guys.
Snowy day.
Look how white it is outside.
I know. I told them. Sabi ko, labas tayo dahil
Yeah.
malamig at magandang araw.
But the sun is nice.
Yeah.
The sky is blue.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful day, broskies.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
I test.
Sa car says -2. -2 sa labas. Kanina -6. Medyo umiinit na. Let's go.
The weather, guys. It's so pretty.
Pakita mo.
Look, guys. Wow. So blue.
I was telling earlier na bihira yung nag-snow tapos bright dito sa UK or ganyan ang kataas ang sun or sky. Dalas madilim.
Yeah.
Today, may snow. The sun is up. Blue skies. Wow.
tell it's cold because look how wrapped up I am.
Ano kami? May mga magpapatingin ng eyes o ng mata. Oh, delikado tayo dito ah. May meta glasses. Ako. Hindi itong pinunta natin pero very tempting. Yeah, sabi niya healthy naman yung ice cream. Ikaw, how about you? Yeah, pero kailangan ko daw ng ano tawag mo doon? Stigmatism. Obviously, magkaiba daw yung ano ko eh.
What? You have a stigmatism?
Yeah. Sabi niya, legally I can still drive, pero dahil nga nag-struggle na ako, sabi niya, kailangan niya talaga akong mag-glasses daw. Unfortunately, hindi tayo nakaligtas. So, titingin-tingin tayo ng glasses. Tingnan natin kung merong babagay sa atin. Ikaw, nakapili ka na? No? Oh,
Very
no.
specific side.
I know, it's okay. We'll have a look.
What?
Mitch.
What's the one you
Yeah, dun. I'll have a look. Give me a sec. Yan yung may camera nakita ko kanina. Try it on. You wanna try it on? Yan yung Meta Glasses AI. It's big ano? Yeah, it's big. Ako din eh. Try natin itong Meta na to. Hindi ako fan nito eh, pero you'll never know. Yan. Meta Glasses. Medyo mabigat siya. No?
Yeah.
It's a bit heavy. Hindi, I don't think so. Hindi naman ganun kaganda yung camera nito eh. Tsaka, ayoko dito kasi vertical video lang for social media lang yung video nito. Eh, YouTube tayo eh. Hindi naman tayo... Okay, happy na ako dito. Tsaka meron tayong Osmo Nano. Yun, pwede yun. So, maganda yun. Balik natin yan. So, magsusukat-sukat tayo. Tingnan natin kung anong babagay sa atin. This one ako. Looking at this. What do you think?
Oh.
No?
It's alright.
It's okay. Actually, this one or this one. I think this is one.
I think I like the other one.
You prefer the other one?
Yeah.
This one? Let's try again. This one. Ito kasi mas bigger to.
Oh, actually, no, the other one.
Or maybe I should try this one. Para iba naman. This one. No? Nah.
I like the square.
Like the square too. It's... Yun lang pinagpipili ako na eh. Now this one. This one. What do you think?
Yeah, I like that one.
Hmm?
I like that one.
This one?
Green.
Parang yung nakita mo parang bilog na ganun, di ba?
Yeah.
I wonder if this suits me. What do you think?
Nah.
No? Ang hinahanap mo parang circle na gano'n.
Yeah.
Ito ba yung same, yung mura?
Yeah. Not sale.
But a lot slightly cheap. This?
I like the color.
This looks okay. What do you think? Parang okay din to.
Yeah, I like that.
What do you think?
I like that.
No?
Yeah, I like the color.
Yeah. Kano ba to? This looks okay.
Yeah, I actually like that.
Yeah,
I like that.
I like it.
It's like Mama. You know, because Mama's reading glasses are like
But this is like every day. I'll wear it every day. So what do you think? But he's not reading glasses. It's
Yeah, I
like
know.
Every day.
What do you think?
Do you think you'll see me wearing this all the time, or that one?
Try the other one.
No. Put it there.
It's slim.
This one. So this one, or ang hirap bumili ng salamin, grabe. Or this one. It's hard, isn't it? Ang hirap.
I like that style. It's different.
Tingin nyo guys.
More expensive now.
This one, or
Imagine yourself in gym wear.
no, I'm not wearing this in probably this
No,
one.
like you know in your uniform. Imagine yourself in uniform.
This has to be it.
It's that one.
Yeah, because I'm wearing black all the time. So if I'm gonna wear it to gym, it's
Then you
probably
want it to be
this. Yeah. Then,
You don't like round.
no, I don't like round.
Yeah, that one's like more stylish, but this is more everyday.
This is so hard. Ang hirap pala nito. Sige, tingin-tingin pa.
It's so tight.
Try mo yung para makita sa video yung may nakita kami guys. Tingnan mo to. Maganda bagay sa kanya. Ito, pakita mo to. Show mo sa video. Ito. Pakita mo. Ito, tingnan mo. Ito bagay sa kanya. Look. Tapos kang one step. See? And yet, ano yung brand mo?
Oh, Burberry.
Burberry. How much?
14.
214?
Yeah.
Ito. Kailang mahal. Super mahal. Tingin pa tayo iba. Masyado mahal to. So magkakape muna kami dito sa cafe bar dito sa John Lewis. Kalimutan ko na pangalan ng cafe na to. Pero kaya kami magkakape kasi mag-isip-isip muna tayo kung anong style kung bibilin ba natin yun or hindi. Eh, ang catch pagka daw bumili ako ng salamin sa kanila, hindi na i-charge yung eye test, which is about 35 pounds. Galing, di ba? Sabi ko sa anak ko, magkape muna tayo bago ako mag-decide. Kasi siya, nakapag-decide na siya, wala siya nakitang style dito eh. Oh, thank you. Wow, diba? Parang, mas maganda yung sa'yo ah. So, how does it taste? Kasi nagtatrabaho siya sa coffee shop, so sanay na sanay sa kape to. Ano yung akin na? Mocha. May ininom kaming kape dito sa malapit din dito eh. The best mocha coffee yun. So, try natin. Okay. Okay.
What?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yun lang aking sagot. Okay. Okay siya. Right. What? What? Magkano to?
Like, it's £8.20.
For both. So parang 4 pounds something isa. Yun naman talaga presyo ng kape. Sige. Tapusin na namin tong kape. Tapos, mag-decide na ako kung kukunin ko yung salamin. I think it's a yes, pero pag-isipan natin, dapat meron tayo. Huwag tayong magmamadali. Minsan kasi, bugso ng damdamin eh. So, kape muna. Saka tayo mag-decide. Oo, yan. Tapos na tayo. Nag-decide na kami kukunin namin yung salamin. O ako, ikaw titingin ka sa iba.
Yep.
Yeah, just gonna look for another shop siguro. Maghahanap kami. Pero yun na, yun ating small little vlog or short vlog ng 4K versus 8K.
Comment down below and say which one you prefer.
Yeah, tama. Kung ano sa tingin mo mas maganda, 4K or 8K. Kung ano mas malinaw, kung ano mas maganda video sa dalawa.
Let us know in the comment section.
Yeah. Again, kung gusto mo itong video nito, please like and subscribe and hit mo na rin yung notification bell button para ma-update ka next time na mag-upload kami ng bagong video. Again, this is your Pinoy Vlogger and we'll see you
In the next one.
Peace!